Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to recover notes from Android. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you have accidentally deleted important notes on your Android device and are worried because you don't have a backup or can't find a recycle bin, don't panic. There are still a few reliable ways you can try to recover those notes. In this guide, I'll walk you through multiple recovery methods step by step, starting with the easiest option and moving on to cloud-based solutions if needed. First, open the Notes app on your phone. The app icon is usually a white light bulb on a yellow background, especially on Samsung devices. Once the app opens, go ahead and click on these three lines at the top left corner. Here, look for the section or tab labeled Deleted. Many users don't realize that deleted notes are not permanently removed right away and are instead stored in this trash folder for a limited time. Open the Deleted tab and carefully check if your deleted note is still there. If you find it, tap on the note to open it, then tap the three-dot menu in the corner of the screen and select Restore. As soon as you do this, the note will be moved back to your main notes list and will be available just like before. If your note is not showing up in the trash folder, the next option is to try restoring it through a cloud backup. To do this, open the Settings app on your phone, which is represented by a gear icon. At the top of the settings screen, use the search bar and type Accounts and Backup, then tap on it when it appears. Inside this section, you'll see options such as Samsung Cloud or another cloud service depending on your device. Tap on your cloud service and then select Backup Data. Here, you'll see a list of data types that can be backed up. Since we want to recover our notes, so make sure that app data is selected since notes are usually stored as part of app data. Confirm that the toggle is turned on, then tap Backup Now and wait patiently while the backup process completes. Once the backup is finished, your deleted notes may be included in the stored data, allowing you to restore them back onto your phone. In some cases, you may need to manually select which data to restore, including notes or app data. If this option is available on your device, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the restoration. If cloud backup through your device manufacturer doesn't work, you can also try recovering your notes using your Google account. Open the Settings app again and return to the main settings page. Slowly scroll down until you find the Google section and tap on it. Allow it to load fully, then locate the backup option. Make sure that backup is turned on. Tap on Manage Backup, and here, if I go to Other Device Data, confirm that apps, photos, and other important data are selected. This ensures that your notes data is synced properly with your Google account. So go back and tap on this green Backup Now button and wait until it completes. After the backup is complete, make sure to select Sync Now to force a manual sync. This step is important because it helps refresh your data across all connected services. Once syncing is done, exit the Settings app and open the Notes app again. Tap on three lines at the top left, go back to the deleted folder and check once more for your deleted notes. If the note appears, tap on it, open the three-dot menu and select Restore to bring it back. If your notes still don't recover on the first attempt, make sure your internet connection is stable and that you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Also, check the Play Store to ensure that your Notes app is updated to the latest version, as outdated apps can sometimes cause syncing issues. In some cases, waiting a few minutes and checking again can also help, especially if a backup or sync is still processing in the background. By following these steps carefully, you increase your chances of recovering deleted notes on your Android device. Hopefully, this extended guide helped you understand all the possible recovery options. And that's it. So that's basically how you can recover notes from Android. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.